You are going to love the 2023 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, supercharged, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.